In an age of scientific giants, one man stood apart, a silent figure whose mind composed the most elegant verses in the language of the universe. This is the story of Paul Dirac, the poet of physics, a man who believed that beauty was the ultimate guide to truth. His tale is not just one of equations and discoveries, but a journey into the heart of physical law, where elegance and reality become one. Born in Bristol, England, in 1902, Paul Adrien Maurice Dirac was a man of few words but boundless intellect. He began his academic journey not in the ethereal world of theoretical physics, but in the practical domain of electrical engineering. Yet, the deep mysteries of the cosmos called to him, and he soon found his true home at Cambridge University, where he would revolutionize our understanding of reality. Known for his profound taciturnity, Dirac was a legendary presence in seminars. He would sit in complete silence, absorbing every detail, and speak only when he had a question or a correction of such piercing insight that it would leave his peers in awe. It was during this period that his quiet genius blossomed, leading him to formulate a general and logically complete theory of quantum mechanics, independent of the work of his contemporaries. He was building a new language for physics, one of stunning simplicity and power. The year 1928 marked a watershed moment in the history of science. On a blackboard at Cambridge, Dirac inscribed an equation of breathtaking elegance. It was a deceptively simple expression, yet it held within it a universe of meaning. This, the Dirac Equation, was his masterpiece. It flawlessly unified the two great pillars of early 20th century physics: quantum mechanics, the strange new science of the very small, and Einstein's special theory of relativity, which governed the very fast. The equation described the electron with unprecedented accuracy, but it also contained a shadow, a mathematical ghost. Its solutions demanded the existence of a particle identical to the electron in every way but with an opposite charge. This was the prediction of antimatter, an idea so radical, so seemingly absurd, that even Dirac himself was hesitant at first. The universe, his equation insisted, had a mirror image. Dirac's monumental contributions did not go unnoticed. In 1933, at the young age of 31, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, sharing it with Erwin Schrödinger for their foundational work in quantum theory. His quiet dedication continued throughout his long and distinguished tenure as the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at Cambridge, a chair once held by Isaac Newton. He held the prestigious post for 37 years, shaping generations of physicists with his rigorous and aesthetically driven approach to science. After retiring from Cambridge, he sought a warmer climate and a quieter life, moving to Florida State University. There, far from the bustling centers of European physics, he continued his research, forever pursuing the fundamental truths that lay hidden within the fabric of the cosmos. The ultimate vindication of Dirac's poetic vision came in 1932 with the discovery of the positron, the antimatter counterpart to the electron, precisely as his equation had foretold. It was a stunning confirmation of his unshakable belief that the fundamental laws of nature must possess mathematical beauty. For Dirac, an equation was not merely a tool for calculation, it was a reflection of the universe's intrinsic elegance. A theory that was beautiful, he argued, was more likely to be true. His legacy is not just in the equations he wrote or the particles he predicted, but in this profound philosophy. The enigmatic portrait of Paul Dirac remains a symbol of a mind that saw the universe not just as a puzzle to be solved, but as a poem to be read, its verses written in the sublime language of mathematics.